Hello listeners, in our previous video we have discussed about application of trigonometry or height and distance of CBSE or Telangana State Boards and ICSE. Today in this video we are going to do some problems related to the application of trigonometry or height and distance. What we have learned in previous video that we have to remember two concepts. It's enough, that is angle of elevations and angle of depression. What is angle of elevation? Observer saying up. What is depression? Observer is saying down. If you read the problem and you have to draw a figure related to that problem, if you have draw the figure perfectly, 60 to 70% of the problem you solved. Okay, you solved. Let's read the problem. A boy observed the top of an electric pole. Suppose this is your electric pole. Okay, the electric pole is standing on a ground. Suppose this is your ground. Okay, this is your ground. This is your ground level. On that ground level, one electric pole is there, and a boy is standing here. Okay, a boy is standing here. Pole at an angle of elevation means the boy is seeing the electric pole making an angle of 60 degree. Making an angle of 60 degree. Okay, a boy, suppose this is your boy. Boy is standing here and he is seeing the top of an electric pole, and what angle it is forming? It is forming 60 degree. Okay, this is called your observer point. The observer point means the boy and the pole foot. How much distance is there between the boy and the pole is 8 meter. Okay, 8 meter distance is there between the observer and the pole. What we have to find out? We have to find out the height of a pole. Suppose this is your height of the pole. Give name to your, just give name to your figure. Okay, just give name. Suppose this is A, B and C. If you have drawn the diagram or figure perfectly, more than 80% work is over. Okay, in this program, in this problem, in this figure, by seeing that figure, you can easily find out. No need to write this is observer, this is electric pole. Okay, this is electric pole. Just give the name to the point. Suppose a boy is standing on the ground and he is seeing the top of an electric pole forming the angle 60. Okay, the distance between the observer and the pole is 8 meter. Okay, 8 meter. What will be the height of your pole? Okay, height of your pole means what I said, the side opposite to the theta is your opposite side. This is your adjacent side. What is this? Opposite by adjacent side. What is the formula? We have already fixed tan theta, sin theta and cos theta. Where you will get opposite by adjacent, that is tan theta. We have to use tan theta. Okay, what is your BC? BC is nothing but your 8 meter. That is your distance. What is your angle? ACB. Okay, angle ACB is your 60 degree. Okay, what you have to find? Let height. What is your height? BH. Okay, so we have to find out the height. Height means opposite by adjacent, means you have to use tan. Okay, what is your tan? Tan 60. What is your tan? Opposite by adjacent. Okay, opposite by adjacent. What is your opposite? AB. What I said, the side opposite to your theta will be your opposite side, that is AB. What is your adjacent side? That adjacent side will be your BC. Okay, BC. So what is your AB? H. What is your BC? 8. What is tan 60 value? Okay, tan 60 value is root 3. Tan 60 value will be root 3. Cross multiply and you will get it. Height equal to 8 square root of 3 meter. Okay, 8 square root of 3 meter. in ICSE students, they will get the value of root 3. Okay, just substitute the root 3 value and multiply by 8. Let's do some other problem so that you will get clear understanding of this topic. Suppose a person observes the top of a tree at an angle of elevation of 60. Okay, suppose this is your tree. Okay, tree. Angle of elevation means a observer seeing up. Suppose this is a ground level. At present, the observer is present. Okay. A person observes the top of a tree at an angle of elevations means he is seeing the top of a tree making an angle of 60 degree. Okay, degree. And when the observer point was 5 meters away from the foot of the tree, means the distance between the observer and the tree is 5 meters. Okay, the distance between the observer and the tree will be your 5 meters, okay, from the foot. So what we have to do, you have to draw the figure of related to this data. Okay, give the points A, B, C. Okay, it is forming your right angle triangle. Okay, 1 degree must be your 90 degree. Okay, just you have to draw a diagram. Okay, from the figure. Okay, from the figure, what you got it? Okay, what you got it? A is your observation point. Okay, observation point. A is your observation point. What is your AB? AB is the distance. Okay, AB is the distance between whom? Between tree and observance point. OP means observation point. Okay, and what is your angle of elevation? Okay, angle of, what is your theta? Theta is nothing but your 60 degree. What is your theta here? A observer is seeing up means it is an angle of elevation. Theta is nothing but angle of elevation. Our next problem is, if a tower of height h, suppose this is your tower with a height h, okay, is observed from a point with a distance d. It was observed from the point, suppose this is your point. It is observed from a point with a distance d, and one angle is formed because it is angle of elevation. So, it is angle of elevation. So, angle of elevation is theta. Okay. Height of the tower is h. The distance between the observers and the tower is d. One angle is formed theta. So, you have to express the relation between h, d and theta. Okay, so we are giving the name to your triangle. Okay, A, B and C. A, B and C. We have to give relations between H, D and theta. You have to give relation between H, D and theta. So, how you are giving? How you are giving the relationship as tan theta. What is your tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. Okay, what is your tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. What is your tan theta is theta. What is your opposite is h. What is your adjacent is d. Means how you are expressing the relation among in the form of tan theta. Let's solve another problem. A pole and its shadow. Suppose this is your pole. Okay, this is your pole and its shadow have h length. Okay, okay, h length. Okay, length of the pole and its shadow have h length. Find the angle of ray made with the earth at that time. Suppose this is your earth ground. Okay, earth ground. One angle is formed. Okay, angle is considered as theta. Angle is considered as theta. Okay, the shadow means the shadow is falling on the earth with the theta, and the shadow and the pole, the length will be your h, means that is your distance. This will be your the height of a pole. We are taking the height of a pole as h, and the distance between the shadow and the pole will be have h length. Okay, what we have to find out the angle of ray made with the ray at that time. Take your angle as right angle as A, B and C. A, B and C. Let the, what is the height of the pole? Let's take the height of the pole is equal to h. Okay. Length of its shadow. What it is given in the problem? The length of the shadow is your h length. Okay. So what we have to find? We have to find out the theta value. Theta means opposite by adjacent, means you have to take tan theta. Okay. What is your tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. What is your opposite? H. What is your adjacent? H. H cancel. So what you are getting? Tan theta equal to 1. Okay. What is the value of tan theta in your table is tan 45. Okay, 45, tan 45. So what will be the value? Will be tan 45 degrees. So what is your theta? Theta is nothing but your 45 degree. Means find the angle. So what angle it is forming? It is forming 45 degree.